What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm doing my vision board this year. I did another video probably about a year, 2 years ago. I don't even know when I did it, of a digital vision board that I created. But I wanted something this year that still it could be printed out. You could also use it, just a digital form. Just I wanted it to be more versatile, and of course I wanted it to be a little bit more creative this year. So I said, hey, I'm gonna show y'all my process of how I'm gonna do this particular vision board. So anyway, for this vision board, you're gonna need the following items. For me, I want to use transparency. Okay, guys, for my vision board, I'm using Photoshop, and I'm starting off with 8.5 by 11, which is just regular standard letter size for my image, because I want to do a magazine cover type vision board. I'm not going to give a Photoshop lesson by any means, but if you want to use like Canvas, even Microsoft Word, however you choose to use to create your vision board, go ahead, go at it. I'm just showing you what I'm using, and just to see the basics. So like I mentioned, I wanted to do what you call it, a magazine cover. So hey, and I wanted an image of myself to be, of course, is my vision board, right, guys? So now I'm gonna just open up all my layers so you can see my whole vision had come together. Like I say, I'm not finna do a tutorial of how to use Photoshop, but hey, if you want a tutorial of how to use Photoshop, hey, I'm willing to give it, but this is not the video, guys. So this is my complete vision board before I print it out, but this is a digital form. And I just, like I say, I wanted to use the magazine effect, and to add different things, of course, what I wanted to accomplish. I got brands that I would like to work with, my YouTube goals. Yeah, I already know I'm trying to highlight that million subbies as well as over a million views. And then different products I would like to produce. Not just, and as you can see, I try to make it as realistic as possible, as like a magazine cover you will see. And I really like the way it turned out. You guys, y'all can pull any kind of image off of Google to fit with the vision that you have for yourself, guys, and make it so you can see it on that page, that it's gonna just pop at you, that you don't necessarily have to find. I know what my eyes are directing to, so I know what, because I know what my vision is. But this is to give you a view of my. Alrighty, now this is, I actually already printed out my vision board. Vision board. Well, yeah, it's a vision board. I actually printed it out. I printed it out first on transparency film, and I got that transparency film, guys, at a thrift store. It was only $3 for 50 pages or whatever. And so I always wanted to use it. That's or I use the transparent. I can't talk transparency film, but you could just print it out on regular cardstock, guys. I'm trying to be fancy, okay? So I wanted to give it an effect, like different layers with on the frame. And like I said, y'all can get this frame at Dollar Tree, and it's an 8x10 frame, but it actually the size of it holds a bigger image. So it also comes with a border or a matte border. Yeah, I know what I'm trying to say. So that's why I give the illusion that it's kind of cut out, and I love that effect. And later on, I'm gonna try to use lights with it to see what kind of effect they have. But y'all, today was not the day, and the idea that I had, it did not work out right. But I still like the overall image, and you see, I propped the frame on the easel stand, which worked out real great for for it to be displayed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up, guys. I'll see you guys next Sunday.